Hello there. We will see how to change the spark plug cable of 1.6 engine Fiat Marea, Brava. The product numbered TSP-C018 will be installed on our vehicle. You can see the models that the product is compatible with here. It is important to change the cables one by one. In this way, we do not confuse the coil entries of the cables. Here we started with the longest cable. You can start with the shortest if you want. When attaching the wire to the spark plug, it is important that the terminal fits correctly to the spark plug. Now we remove our second cable. We replace our TORk spark plug wire of the same size. We also change the third and fourth wires in turn. You can watch our cable temperature test by clicking the link in the upper right corner. You can get information about our products on our website, which you will find in the description. Now we can start our vehicle. Thanks for watching.